welcome back everyone to the second tutorial of HTML from Computing Essentials, and this is me, Daniel Khan. So first of all, let's get started. Assuming that you have taken the recommended softwares, which were Notepad++ and Google Chrome, we'll get started now. First, open up Notepad++. Now we're gonna start discussing about tags. Every HTML web page consists of tags. Oh, sorry about this. Which there are tags that form elements of a web page. For example, for the title of the web page, there's a different tag. For the text that's shown on the web page, there's a different tag. For the stuff that's done, for the calculation that's done before the web page loads, that there's a specific tag. So now let's first get started with the basic HTML tags. These HTML tags tell a browser that the HTML web page starts over here with an HTML with HTML text written, surrounded in angular brackets, and the ending tag has a forward slash HTML surrounded with angular brackets. So this HTML tag, the starting HTML tag, which is often known as the on tag, says the web browser that over here the web page, the HTML document has started, and this shows that over here it has stopped. So whatever code you're gonna do, it's gonna be in here. Now the next tag that comes up is the head tag. The head tag does not do any editing in what text is there in the body, except if you have some script running in the head tag. It might change some stuff in the body tag. I'll explain about that in a moment. First, let's set the title tag. The title tag tells the web browser that this is the title of the web page. So the title tag is simply title surrounded in angular brackets, and the off tag of title is the same, just followed or starting with a forward slash. So let's keep this learning HTML. And once this is done, we're gonna have the body tag. I'm gonna explain this more precisely in just 1 minute, so be patient. And the body tag again has an end. And in the middle of the body tag, whatever goes as text, whatever you type will appear as simple default text in the browser. So let's enter this is my first web page. Actually, it's not hosted on the web right now, but still, I'll be covering the hosting thing in the later tutorials, as I said before. And you're gonna save it, and remember not to save as a normal text file. You have to go in here and either search for HTML, or you can just click on this all types, and over here let's name this index. And index, I'll come to that in a few tutorials about what's the big deal about index. And you have to name it as a .htm or a .html file. I'm gonna name it as a .html to be more precise. And we're gonna save it in, let's say, documents. I'll create a new folder right here. Folder tutorials. Let's save this thing over here in tutorials. I'm gonna save it. And now as you can see, the syntax has been highlighted, the tags have been highlighted over here. And now let's run this thing. Launch in Chrome. My computer is a bit slow, so it might take some time. As you can see, oh, I have a typo right there, learn in HTML. And this is my first web page now. I just did knowingly. And one more thing, sometimes people think that now first let's explain the whole thing to you. We're gonna select inspect HTML right now. Now it adds, I think, if yeah, right over here. So as you can see over here, the title is learn in HTML, the same as this code is this code right here. So here is learn in HTML, and here it came learn in HTML. And over here in the body there is, this is my first web page, and it came over here. So that these are the basic HTML tags. There are a lot of tags to be so that you could get able to make good, precise, nice websites like Facebook or Google. Actually, you need to be a lot creative, and you can't do much calculations like what is 4 plus 5 or something like that in HTML. You need scripts like JavaScript and all to do that. So HTML is not a programming language. Let me clear that out. HTML is just a command language. It's not even a command language. Yeah, you could make sites like YouTube and all, but only after you get a lot of knowledge about. First of all, HTML is a very vast subject. Once you cover HTML's vast boundaries, you have to go to PHP, JavaScript, MySQL, many more languages like that, so that you can be able to make good websites like Google, Facebook, or some stuff like that. And they take months for that. It's not easy either. So that's just for tips. That don't think that once you learn this HTML that you're gonna be able to create sites like Google and all. Sometimes even when you try to create, they suck. I mean, seriously, sometimes they suck. When I was learning, I made very bad websites, and I used to think they're awesome. Yeah. I think I'm running out of time right here. I'll come back to you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.